So my people, I have some things I'm gonna share with you guys. Honestly, look like say Queenie out for take away Amari man, or ex-man, or she already take him away. That hug up there at the airport, my people, me not lie, that hug up they look suspect. You see me, not see no other movements will look suspect still, but that hug up there at the airport, it looks suspect. So let me know what you think. See, we have Zouma, my people, are done pretty done. You see me I say? And boy, Zouma use some words there. Him have to go build him one dictionary. Me not lie. So we are going to hear what him have to say about pretty done. You see me? Also we have blame them my people, blame them the life. And here we blame them I tell the woman them. Him a tell the woman them to send him them baby father picture and make him bring them down. Cause it look like saying bring down couple baby father already and one of them like him a do the right thing. You see me I say? So we are going to get into that because a whole heap of things go on the live there and I don't know blame them stay. Right? So we are going to get into that my people. And I school you go live in the morning here and blame them I try go up on him live. It look like say him and blame them kinda turn friend back. But me I go make you hear what him have to say to blame them. You understand me? And my people, today a world dog Earth Strong. You see me? So I will share a clip with Uno with him upon him Earth Strong. So big up the world dog, the real general. So I don't know if all I know about this thing where a youth to work at digital lose him 3 points. Seen? And them saying get line up and them done him. Seen? So you see the woman with rosealee always a cuss. She and the next woman, I think a cutie she name her, I remember. You see me? Them talk about, you know what I mean, the situation there and like how the woman them deal with certain things more while, you know what I mean, get themselves involved in criminal activities because of man and one bag of something people. And you see me from me a local youth, one of my uncle tell me say youth, do not go link no woman at them yard and that grow up in me not lie. And if me not thank that uncle for nothing at all, me thank him for that advice that him give me. You understand? Don't go no woman yard. And it's not only don't go no woman yard, you know. No go nowhere, make no woman dry you out, make you go certain places. Because you see vybz Kartel have a song where him say woman run program wicked when him a talk to him son them when him there jail. You see me in a song and him say girl run program wicked. You see me I say? So me I'm gonna make you hear about that and you have to listen to that one my people. So maybe we'll add more things as we go on. So make we kick it off, you know.
Kind of behaviors. Cause I'm gonna tell you something. I'm not sorry for them girl, and that's why they make some of we girl get blamed for some things that we don't know about, you know. Kasha, ain't no we a woman supposed to be a woman, no mix up in a certain things. You hear me I tell you? And them man you nowadays as much as
thank you.
Bumbo class nuggets. Don't trust them girl ya. To make them strong no go nowhere. Don't trust them. Is a girl where me no stray now me a woman, you know. No big pussy look boy can stray me, you know. Mankind, if you no die, me I tell you the truth, no matter how you love a girl. Don't make them stray.
You best me not like that, you know, cause me there and search love and can't find it. What that?
What?
I'm not signing to that what you say.
No, Kasha, but to all the world I go, you have to act paranoid. Kasha, I'm gonna tell you something. In a real life, if you meet a girl or something, you and her buck up something, there's certain things you have to study people first. Trust people first, gain people trust first before you can't just
but
give it.
But say you have to risk it to make it.
No, Kasha, not in other society. No, Kasha, that are back in our granny them time. Where them say, you have to try hard till you succeed and risk it for the biscuit. That are back in the days. Right now, nobody not try hard to succeed. I'll be a cocky them also. No, see, now.
Area, true she attack. Look what happened to me. Sitting a plate, a different stuff. Me no could happen to you.
Don't talk to no. Nothing of them your time here. You go and risk it.
Sitting a plate, a madman. Nothing could happen to you.
Not people them, me don't know where them a eat, where them a drink.
No, nobody no see her. And our 4 people them a ball.
Me no
I picture the all about.
4 rose chat, she not.
4 rose chat.
My good.
You boss says when me hear the theory of the story with my 2 little friend them involved, me have to wonder what happened.
Hey, I hate a female that mix up in a them kind of something, the cash. I mean, I rate them.
Guys, 3 more rose. Me I wonder if she come a foreign. She run across the border, who get her money. Guys, 3 rose. All the way she can come a foreign and else you help her. Come guys, 3 rose. Let's smoke.
You don't know wrong from right. Mitch, thank you, my niece. You feel period pain, but it not come. Wait pan it.
Me a listen.
You love a boy. No matter what love you have for a boy. Don't know wrong from right. Don't make them a boy indulge you and lead you know. Where in some things they can't feel like you love them. A bad feelings.
Guys, times 3.
Drink a Andrews. A bad feelings. Boy, you giantly. T-shirt, thank you, my good pussy knees. Una go down with them giantly. And una cut on a life short. Premature death. Sometimes the death angel now look food.
Guys, times 3. Me get a bonus 3 never have gone.
No make them make no traffic nothing. No make no man make no set up no man. No do them something there. Girl kind me I tell you no say self-destruction real. Sometimes I want to destruct yourself and then you question God and then you start ball pan Obia when you get old. When you get old, you start say people are old. You know much neighbor go down for Obia where them don't know about. You know much Obia walk a neighbor there when you know say them are Obia walk a chat. Because people don't take accountability of the things them do. You don't think a little bit of Obia walk a neighbor there when you know say them are Obia walk a. Jesus Christ. I can't believe. 1 rose a chat. The amount of neighbor who we get blamed for things where them don't know about. 1 toffee dan thank you. 1 rosa.
Guys.
Poor look neighbor them go down so them a worker when I look sin them a bother uno. T-shirt thank you. No fuck with all kind of fuckery. And when karma take no ball out pan people and talk about people are and people are holding down. Some of you love ball out for all different kind of generational curse and blame on 4th parents. I don't know no they are the fuckery. T-shirt big up my knees. Chat triple no chat. Chat triple. Sometimes we have learn to take accountability of the things that we mix up in a triple chat. Chat triple. Me tell you no say all no have no enemy them don't wish them no bad. All if you see them arise, no wish them no bad is a possibility. Say them arise for a fall. T-shirt thank you and if them change God will pardon them. On the enemy no must be the same person where did fuck on up. Them grow and them change too. Don't be a judge of nobody at all. Just live and tread light. Live and tread light.
Can chance to do that.
Let me tell you something, Kasha. You know what I talk about?
You love a man more than yourself. It wicked.
Let me tell you something. I tell him this morning. Say I come over here and I tell you about the gunman them where I fuck. But I tell you because I want to know for know. Say me never tell you for enable that this behavior is right. Me tell you because
guys, thank you so much. Chanel, thanks.
To the level
everybody, thank you. Everybody will attack the screen.
Thank you, my baby's t-shirt. You get another gloves. Everybody big up. Let me tell you something. Me tell you my story so that somebody can get motivated by it. Me just a recover from all the political sadness. The man them want me take the choice of man them that I took. All the political dysfunctional things me go through in a life because of the choice so me make. The only reason why the creator never use it and beat me is because me did lack of knowledge. That's why me get the knowledge now and me can't tell you no. People will take life. Bring down sadness man you. Even so, some of them have good heart, you know. Some of the bad man them have good heart, but here what happened? Peer pressure lead away some of them. Illiteracy problem. You understand me? Product of them community where them come from. So not all of them is bad. You understand me? Not all of them are bad people them. Some of them just get carried away. Parents never did it. Them not nobody to look out for them. So peer pressure they done in the community shoot gun in them hand and I saw it go. So sometimes you as a female, if you have got take up a gunman, take him up with the intention of changing him. Because when a man love you, he will change for you. I mean, not talk about infatuation. I am talking about natural love. If your sister a man love you, anything you say him work with, use it as your advantage to change him. 2 roses or a perfume.
Yeah, I guess when you love the man more, him change you.
People, me love how them 2 women here, you know what I mean, I speak out about certain things, cause enough youth no know, you know, them get blinded by figure link a woman and do whatever, but them now look on the bigger picture. You see me, I say some man them get themselves in a position where them do wrong things and them just use a woman for line them up and rare, but enough innocent man get dash way sake a woman. You understand? Them gyal them no easy, and you that thing say yo woman would really pre if them go there with a man with a bad man, because them know the consequence will come with that. But no, them a woman yeah, no for them prefer a bad man, because them want if any little thing go down, them have somebody to back them and them can walk with them chest high and ray, but them not think about the ugly side of that. You understand? So enough of them women they get caught up in a things because of them man. You see me I say? People me one night in a man, me almost get lined up by a girl, you know. You see me I say? So me kinda know them type of style, you see me? So would advise them youth yeah, if you are link with a girl, all when you know them girl will line you up. But if you are link with a female, you better on them link up at a mutual spot. Don't make she tell you say yo one party I keep run here, so run a woy and you go say alright we are gonna link up. If it's a mutual party where you know says a mutual spot, well you can go there. It no matter if you do nobody nothing, them girl will set you up for you have, cause some man them pretend say them have a bag of money and the girl them see them a spend hard and go tell them man or tell them bridging them and them come rob him. So now if you know what I do, you know what I mean, make you listen some more.
Yes, when you love the man more, him change you. Chanel, thank you.
Exactly.
Yes, when the man say you love him more than yourself,
3 more roses.
He make you do things. Him jack you.
Like them love man more than themselves. 3 more rose chat.
Talk man for humble us.
Perfume. Thank you, baby. Nobody have a perfume.
Something for humble us.
My side.
And guys, me not tell nobody to take up them local gun money. Them not ready.
You put in the youth name there, so you this up chippy, you this up the dog, wicked. And the dog was so bro. He's a hypocritical fucking, he's a hypocritical delong come blood clot, drunk up, crow bait. I don't know if I describe you. You saw this make up a blood clot me. He's a hypocrite. He's a hypocrite. He's a like Z. He's a money lover. He's a sweets lover. You love sweets. That's a turn lesbian. He's a fucking disgusting. He's a traumatization, disgusting human race. Suck your mama. Bro. Yeah, real dog was so pretty than I'ma say this to dog. This to dog. I see you drag the youth name go so. You diss everybody. You tell everybody about their mother. You diss everybody. And then people are diss your table mother talk about worry. You don't know man. Peter then go suck out your big eye. Peter then go climb on two. They go chuck to your mama. Come on talk about your technique. Minaj money by weed. Buy weed. They don't Nicki Minaj money buy no weed. They take Nicki Minaj money pay rent. Money pay rent. Money pay rent. Tell the people me true it on. You take Nicki Minaj money pay your rent. Like said, put it on. If you and blame me if I kick out with that still open and Nicki Minaj to get more lions. You're like Z. You're plastic blood clot cup. Anyway, sweets are shorter than them. You're walking like Z cup. Put it on. Anyway, sweets are shorter than them. Climb on two, gonna go choke to your big pussy, mama. My side, there's some top shot. I'm not gonna lie, my bro. I'm not gonna lie, I can't fuck me come over come talk, bro. Stop it, dog. If you stop it and bro, I'm not coming on the likes and the views, bro. But if you stop it and look for pretend like it's menage, bro. Because what this what the woman do, bro. The woman could never do it, bro. This one Nicki Minaj do, bro. When we stop from fight against each other for likes and for likes, stop from come like a crab in a barrel. And that's something that mix me. My side, tap the fucking scream, chat. My side, power tap the scream. Everybody over here tap the fucking scream and shit the live chat. Everybody over here power tap and shit the live chat. That's something that mix. Bro, this one Nicki Minaj, bro. Bro. This one Nicki Minaj, you must see Nicki Minaj, bro. I go and I give the Jamaica content creator, dog. A great things that woman do, bro. The woman kill a day and not do it, dog. One of appreciates the smart things that people do for no. We as Jamaican, we ungrateful. We're fucking ungrateful, bro. We fucking ungrateful. Are we bad mind? Are we come vicious against each other? We come vicious against with blood. We're screaming at the page, bro. We have to give thanks to Nicki Minaj, bro. Because this is the woman that she could never do it. This is the woman that she could never do it, bro. We have to appreciate the woman, dog. We have to appreciate the woman, dog. Me watch interview with Prett and she talk about that she never want Nicki Minaj money. Go suck your mother, Prett dan. Go suck your mother like that, Prett dan. Yeah, like that, Prett dan. Go suck your mama. If you are black, never blood clot at it. You are still up in a Nicki Minaj. I like the lesbian, you suck your mama. My side, me and stuck. When him blood clot, Prett dan, chichi dan if him. When him Prett dan, name myself chichi dan. I suck pussy dan. Yo, Jermaine. Bad Jermaine. Yo, my father. Yo, Jermaine, you hear me? Give your life to God. You don't come, not do that. You cannot judge me. Warrior King, you cannot judge me. Get back on Satan. Warrior King, don't come do that. Don't come talk about give your life to God. When me ready, I go to my God. I know for prayer. Warrior King, go tell the pit them that I go tell the people them running that to give your life to God. Don't come forth, because someone a fake blood clot prophet. Someone a ramp with, someone when say not prophet, say not ramp with God. Who not ramp with God, you can go and ramp with God. God ramp prof, you know. God ramp prof. They come force upon me. I'm playing up there so bad, bro. Warrior King, you don't do that. Don't come to that, Warrior King. Warrior King, don't you. Come and stuck, say dog. Don't put the life, brother. Chat, me still a stuck. Mike, code. Mike, Bill said, bro. I'm not add man for my life, dog. Bill, dog. Bill, dog. Mumbo clad, dog. Bill, bro. What do you want me for? What do you want me for the life of? Some of the mind making the guy easy. My mind making the guy easy. Big up. Thank you guys so much. I appreciate it. Boys. Yeah, man, big up everybody, man. Ah, boy. Big up everybody, man. Appreciate it, you know. Let's get up. We're not fresh yet.
Just say me I get up and just, you know. Yeah, a shirt buy down at a flea market. Everybody still don't like it. I like it too. You know, say I see it, and I say I'm pick you up. I'm just pick you up because I like it. Huh? No, Jenny, here you go.
Alright, so with the whole pretty dance situation with people, blame them. That me I go talk about. Me know, you know what I mean, Zouma say what him say about who him say, but Pretty Dan is a person who like flippy floppy. This time she had done and she bad her ass. Next time she a cry victim. You see me I say, Pretty Dan, you have to pick something, because the people them now go and genuinely say, you know, say a real thing. Them are going to say, no man, I go on so bad and re. We're going with blame them without even know still, you know. We can't come and say Pretty Dan and tell lie and them way there, you know. But the way how she portray herself on the internet, you're not supposed to be the one I come cry wolf. You understand what I say? And then you go up on the fix now and diss up Nicki Minaj. You could, if you feel some type of way about what why would you go and try to disrespect the people them what you claim say do whatever? You don't want to try to avoid them, but you go confrontational. So right now, you see me I say people are going to think twice before them believe what you have to say, because y'all say, boy, re, no, yeah, this them. Come on, which one is it? Some people, me know one thing. We are going to watch some real dog. I just a clippings of people. You see me? And then we go over to blame them.
Oh, you go. Bitter. You don't know. Tropics. Shanzi. Road and God, you have somebody? You have somebody, man? I don't know, my teeth did that me yesterday. You don't really stop still, but you don't know me attack with a little list tongue. So you lift tonight. Smoking me see some man go up on boat yesterday, come like in front of the boat. He meet him a car me dey on boat. I say, brother, what the bum buckle you're Titanic you dey on? Stop call up my phone, man, I come Timbo, you dey on boat. If you enjoy yourself, you dey on, enjoy yourself. Come Timbo, you dey on boat every minute for like you feel like my friend for your boat. I come I show me picture of duck. My friend for your duck, bad man. Yeah, I don't know, I just wake up to the dog and I just say, oh, my birthday, you know. My birthday. And next year above ground is a blessing. You see me I say? Yeah, bro. So I not kill up myself today, you see me? I not kill up myself today. I just watch you so. You see me? Watch how I go on. Yeah. I get everything I want already for my birthday. And that is life, you know? So I'm just there. No, I'm not actually 40. I am 39 today. Yes, OD. I am 39 today. And OD and Mums, thank you so much for the belt. I really appreciate it. Thank you guys so much. I really appreciate it. I just want to tell you that. Thank you guys so much. Big up yourself. Yeah, man. You know, say me I go keep church, my boss, but yeah. Thank you guys so much, man. Which blessing? Me not like more like look like when Ninja Man just start take coke. You notice I lean so. Come here, we take a look at brush up her also. So when I was to me leave me more, so like me I leave me more like Ninja Man. Boy, I miss Sophie post one picture. Last year, every year this happened to me. So I expect if it happened to me this year, but I expect for me yai. Every year for my birthday, something happened to me. If I know me yai, my teeth or my foot swell up. I don't know if I have something with me. One if I over me, dirty Janet. Are you over me, Janet? Janet, you over me if you have a good birthday? Because I don't know every year for my birthday, something always happen to me. Something always just pop up or always just happen to me out of nowhere. Look how my good Saturday. And Sunday I wake up with wisdom teeth. Look how my good Friday. Saturday I wake up with wisdom teeth. Cancel every dinner date when I have. Everything what I have to do yesterday I have to cancel it because I couldn't even talk. But 10 tour in a one. Yannick Kamigo said she had to spa yesterday. When time I look at one blood clot man come out, I say Yannick, I will go downstairs the blood clot way for you. Because no man now massage me a blood clot. Cancel this one here. No man now blood clot massage me. I'm going to tell her the truth and worse. When time I see my come talk about the elevators this way, I say Yannick. I say me now go you say no babes. I say babes no you saw blood clot. I say no I say can't walk.
That's why you have to rate the president, because at least he honest. At least he honest. And that's why you see me no trouble him more time make him burn in fire. Because a long time I didn't know what go on. How this I could all him this I send bomb buckler request and I tell him say me nah add him to me live, you know, brother. But I'm to your president man, easy no man. You don't know where I'm going, me nah add in the man. I'll store up me Sunday morning. You know, so me now me have to take down Pretty than I left you. Pretty than I shit in a plate, a prank. It's a whole job, it no matter. If I wish you a prank, you know already, man. He can't say nothing else. And when you going over shit up Jeffrey, you do? When you going over shit up Jeffrey, you do? You see me I take it down. I don't like with you. And that's why I had up on my profile, because you put up back the people, you give him traction now, you know. You know long you know get 200,000 views. Me nah allow him because you know him he want Jeffrey want me for interview me. Yo, me screenshot there send Congo me. Yo, me put it up. Remember say me no ramp, me no tell lie, you know. President, easy the man. Easy the man. You say me now. What wrong with the youth? Easy the man. Easy the man. Me gonna lock off me say in the brother. Me nah had your man. Me nah had the you and me nah.
Hey people, I don't lie. High school here talk still, you know. I don't lie, Mattel. A long time Jeffrey don't get so much views. Anything pop down from what here. Fix they are leading by far. Even now Fix are leading by far. You see me I say, but me love where I do still. He try find a way to up back in thing. But he have some attitude and some ways. He have to look into that also and try to, you know what I mean, fix that. Because that's one of the things make the people them not really mess with him like that. It's like even the artists them the man want to feel bigger than. In my opinion still. But let me know what you think. Now watch some more.
Nah had you. You're in a turmoil right now. More your results you think me nah had you. Easy. And tap me talk and make me feel like easy. Me nah had you, sir. Me nah had you. Alright, me nah had you. Your thing hot right now. And you fucking man, you know. Remember say me not trust none at all, no pussy wall. And you not trust me none at all. Me nah had you to me live.
Next week. Hello,
You get better now?
Me never do me.
What you mean son never do? You not tell me say you're sick?
In my mind.
Bumbo clap. Back.
Mama, you're pretty, man. Which part of them, Mama, make you so pretty?
What you say?
That lady has so boss Barbie. You're so pretty, Mama.
I just come from a dinner, man.
You could invite me. My mama love food, you know.
You're there too far. You're there too far. Georgia, me there.
Oh, me there Florida.
Yeah. Probably like some 10 hours. It depends on where in Florida.
You can't fly me to
You're
Georgia.
rich, you know. You're rich, you know, why you can't fly me over there? You're rich.
Rich
Watch
now
it
in
all
mind.
the time, you know. Rich in your mind. Well, sometimes you have to claim it, you know. You see me? You're good, though.
Yeah, man, me good, man. Me like girls, so me add you.
Okay. So where else
You know.
you could I like?
Yo, all like girl, I want me custom baby father, just company life, send a request. I come with the picture.
Oh, they already.
All like girl, I want custom baby father, all like man, them not mind them youth. Me there a few no drunk. All like man, them not mind them youth. All like girl, I want me custom baby father. Just come with him picture and make it expose him. And he name and everything.
Bring him down.
Yeah, we are gonna talk. As from tonight, Blam them will be bringing down people, baby daddy. All on the drunken better time in the youth, cause you know want reach from Blam them page. This is going to be a bring down page. So every 10 o'clock to 11 o'clock, every 1 hour a night, when you come with the baby father, send a request because when you keep on send me, bro, you want a message me get from girl, I say, Blam them you can't bring down my baby father for me. Yes, me will do it. Just come with this picture. Yes, me like bring down. Yeah, no come with the picture and come with the date of birth and everything. And file the application. And I'll come bring down. So if you don't have a baby father when you bring down, you send a request.
Where said so the deadbeat father them?
All of them in our mind in youth. I bring them down.
Okay,
So
okay.
if you're a woman and you pick the pan and mind in youth, just send your request, come and bring him down.
So I'm to the one them, where I'm to the good father, them have them picking and the
No,
mother
we don't
not
like
take.
nothing good. No, you don't bring them down. Tonight it starts, so send in a request. Hello, why purpose for your request, lady? You come on mute. Now, dear love, do you have a baby daddy that you want to bring down? Alright, go on. Girls only, woman only. Girls only. Girls only that with as baby daddy that they want to bring down. One woman that we want to pick me up on it, he must bring down your baby father. Queen, what happened, Queen? You look good, do.
Thanks.
You have a baby father we want to bring down?
Yeah, but he's dead. He should have dead left his son.
We still can't bring him down, man.
Oh
We still
God,
can't bring
man.
him down. We still can't bring him down. When I joke, man, no tap text him about bring down. Because not come. Because video on the text, oh, Blam, you can't bring down my baby father for me. Or more bring down somebody that I don't know. I don't know if he come at me, I want to bring him down. I can't bring him down by myself because I don't know nothing about him. I don't know if he come and tell me in business, like I will bring him down. I have a platform to send him viral. So me send him viral.
Queen,
I like dirty man, them in my name, youth. Me also send them that viral. Sicily, one of them.
how would I pussy her? How would all them?
Sicily, one of them. Me don't bring down Sicily already. Sicily can't, if he can't, he not get nothing. Somebody not saying nothing. Me already bring down Sicily already. Me can't bring him down now. I want to afraid of the baby father, I'm a truck now, you know. So I don't know how we bring him down. Alright, on the top text him about this. Alright, they must me not come back, me not wait, man. Every day people come back at me about people know say every day girl in my DM. Blam them can't bring down my baby father for me. And when no me ready to do it now, no answer.
Blam name.
Eh?
Want bring down my beer for them come from Mount Vernon.
You have him picture?
Yeah.
Come on camera, me bring him, me help to bring him down.
Blam them.
Wow.
Look across this man, he need to take care of him daughter.
Name, talk out name.
Him name Stunner.
One president.
Other girl pick me and him daughter don't have nothing.
Yes,
If me not provide, she don't
you
have
have him
it.
picture because we send him viral, so the girl him can't know enough to breathe him again.
Blam them.
Yeah?
What happened?
Today, man, I bring down people, baby father.
Me love why you bring down Clyde Jayden.
I waste man them, I tell you, bring them down no shame. Then the people like they are shame. I say I Ramesh man them, I Ramesh girl them. Now remove the girl from moderator, I left the girl alone, man. You must send back request. come with them picture, I will bring them down without them picture. When you come with them picture, you can't just come with their name. Come with them picture, we want them picture. We want them picture too. You don't have to come with them picture. Come with them picture, their name, their everything. You can't write enough people, don't come like that. Bro, I'm tell them I don't bring down Kevin already. Kevin living in car. When we go bring down say. Kevin not no shame. Them the batty man they not no shame. Them the man living in their car. And I be a line come and tell for me. Batty boy that. First thing when me a 8 year old, me not no visa. So me come, I be a line them boy they tell that. I scratch my dad tell him to come try bring it up. Now look for another batty boy. And one time me answer him. I don't know in a video in the house and beat me you know. So he can't talk to me. Until he video in our house when I live, he can't beat me. Because the Benzel, when me see video in like a rental. And anything do me better take it. And me a whole heap of fans everywhere. So in time when I'm fans them whole man do nothing, you can't blame me. People, I don't come out for this bomb buck lad. Come to every son on the baby father coming along.
The girl them not bring down nobody tonight, blame them, lad man.
Yeah?
They not bring down nobody tonight, man. Give them
I want to text them about that 5 times.
Maybe one them where I text just love the drama, love here when you cuss and go along and carry on.
So when they now bomb buck lad.
Me just want you to relax. Sometimes I just want you to relax, you know.
Relax, boy. I mean, don't text them about that then. I mean, not them, oh, damn, they can't bring down me for baby. I'm going to bring down somebody, I don't know. I don't know if you contact.
Somebody said, bring down my baby father, Crusher.
Then send a request, can we bring him down? If you mind him, bomb buck like youth, me not representing no man when I mind him.
Yes.
For all the women, them, we are them baby father, when I mind them, we don't send a request, we could bring them down. Me tell them that already. Bring down foot type, so foot type that already bring down already. Foot type that a madman. Your moderator, add the girl them we have send requests.
My own extra George Cameron blood.
Your own. Alright, send a request, police queen. Police queen, send a request. Can we bring him down?
Pepper, rude, watch Pepper.
Mama main business, extra George. Mama turn on the camera and give me, put him picture on me, put it on big screen, mama. We are going to bring him down.
No, I want somebody every minute about all Queen favor such a man.
Mama, turn on the camera and put him picture. You have another phone, and make you bring him down. Police queen, can we bring down him?
Dirty Hector George Cameron
Turn on the camera, watch out, mama. We can't just bring him down alone. We have to make the people know who him be, because you are going. When the people know who him be, then can know, the girl them can know so if they with him, kind of minding you. Don't come over this bomb bucklad, can you come like I eat that to the technical? Can you now bomb bucklad send a request, come contact. Like a joke to me, and don't text me nothing then if you know what I mean. Don't come like I'm afraid of that man, like him and him abuse, you know.
The man them we tapping at their neck, blame them, so then afraid.
Can't afraid of man when I'm minding you.
What a weird queen.
And if I want job neck if you got tapping her.
Madam, my green screen. We'll put up the man. Bomb.
Oh, you know man. Oh, you ready? I mean,
active.
You don't think you can turn on green screen, mama?
No, I'm going to put up it.
Turn on the camera and use one other phone and put in picture there.
It's other phone.
You know other phone?
Blame them, girl, they afraid them man come bring them down so they know and put up the boy.
The man can't bring me down.
Alright, so wait, alright. Look if you see a green screen, look. Yes, you can't do green screen. She can't put up green screen. Mama, here we go though. She can't put up green screen paper.
Come on.
She can't put up green screen.
Come on.
The whole God, man. On the bomb buckler, them people don't care, man.
Give me a
stop taking girl off a big screen. On some bumbo clad disgusting. Turn on the green screen.
Put up him, man.
You don't see no green screen today?
No, I don't see that.
Tell her if you put up her man, blame them.
Oh, I don't know if you do it like that. People, I want to put up green screen. All the people, all the do it, people.
So I always say do it, blame them.
Talk about the girl warm. On the weird so.
Nah, look for them, because them not have a job.
They not nothing.
I some careless people. The people say if you go in a filter, Effects. Click it, go in a effects. Click effects. Look at it, one name effects, mama.
I see it.
Click it, effects. Why is you put paper?
Them effects here show me what the person.
Click the green screen. So look at you see something where it's a green screen. You're gonna see one green something.
I think I found it.
Alright, put up. See baby father, blood clot baby father they call her. I'm that I call him more.
Him can't call me, see the old one.
Alright, give him there. Or bring down his blood
Bring down him and grab them.
Mama, excuse your face, go take him.
Bring him down, blame them.
Which man come from, mama? Which man come from? Where come from, mama?
Glengar.
Why real name?
Where real name?
Richard Morrison.
Mama, when come from, mama? Can you bring him down?
Listen, man, come from Glengar. Richard Morrison.
Girls, you know, send requests, cause everybody call me, people call me bring him down. Cause we go show himself in mind in Bumbuckler youth.
Yeah.
All the people who send a viral batty boy if you mind your youth, they to Bumbuckler kill this. We go show the youth stand up batty boy. We go show the youth stand up. Allah ya tell mama. Batty boy, mind your youth. When you mama, when you?
Richard. Call him Richie name, Richard.
Big thinking Richard. Mind your Bumbuckler youth, careless batty man.
Yes,
you
blame them.
What this? You sit down and now mind your Bumbuckler you. You look careless batty man. Look at you like a Bumbuckler thief. I'm gonna go take up gun and go rob for money for mind you.
12 years
in batty boy. You saw that 12 you now mind him. Make us a Bumbuckler careless Richard. Richard. You two Bumbuckler what this? Go mind you dirty batty man. You look careless batty boy. Go mind you.
Somebody has to know that all.
Go mind your youth. Your mouth look like a 10 crutches on yam, batty boy. So batty. You walk this and think no Bumbuckler, dirty barfly, batty man. But mind your Bumbuckler you. Batty boy, Richard. Paper, Richard is that. And down to see Richard, I do no crutches. No give him none. I now mind the youth, if he can numbers, he now go mind the youth. So no don't give him no crutches. Eh?
I first man for me, make a bad decision.
Yeah, do much when I breathe for him.
Little bit.
Allah, if I'm a pervert to me pussy class. Then move him fast up. Then Richard, let's from Buckler Richard. We all send a viral. Richard, the girl left there, they no run. Mama, one hand with that Buckler box, help me cuss him. Go and give him 2 words, because me alone can help me cuss him.
I should blame them.
Blame them.
Only help me cuss him there, because we can't with that. Only help me cuss him there, people, because right now I run out of breath. Only help me cuss him.
Richard should have never ever put on the glass there.
Recharge your sperms doing a recharge. If you come down, shit in a plate.
Come down. Yeah. Right this so ask me, my shit in a plate.
Richard, if you Bumbuckler come down, mind your Bumbuckler youth, you look careless batty.
One pitney.
One pitney have you now mind him. How can I work in mama?
Look here, the man drive taxi for himself. Man living on big house for himself, him just mean. And wicked I watch me.
Then can't rob him when he run taxi.
No, him come from him now, rob him.
Can't rob him and chop him up.
Him now
Richard, you two Bumbuckler what this? You look a thief. Mind your Bumbuckler youth, you come like a Sicily. You look a careless batty man. Go mind your Bumbuckler youth. You and Sicily there on the same boat. Richard right now viral again, right now I don't know what to do.
Yeah.
And viral right now, Richard. So you must know if you want mind you. Mama, you say if you don't mind you by next week, go follow you.
Front him buy. Him not buying a blood clot front of virgin in blood clot get.
So mama, how much I know?
Bright.
Come on, you how much I know, mama?
Me at 27.
I had how much when he breed?
Oh, you flow fast at people business, I blame them.
Yeah, you can't tell me, man. We're not going to laugh for you.
But me not go for my fa. Can't walk a talk now, no.
Oh, you have people say when you are 15.
Alright, when I calculate my business, sir.
The people them know you then, man.
No, come tell me me at 27. I'm telling you,
that's how Richard walk this man. Richard, if you got jail, man. Bumbleclad. You call 911. Call anybody at Jamaica can come on live, come call 911 and report the situation. Yeah?
Blam then.
I know we are calling.
One thing me know, some of them girls here go get themselves in a trouble, you know, for that something how them go out with blame them, you know. But then go and follow blame them and think say blame them are easy somebody to follow. Blame them no business and him the way are foreign only that Jamaica see me and the man they run. So if the man dodge on and go on a blood clot big stone, only take that. You see me I say, but definitely still blame them at the work of the Lord. You know what I mean? Yeah man, them to mind them youth. You understand? If you have it, you figure your youth something. You see me I say? So let me know what I think my people. We are gonna watch some more. And Amari and Queenie end up on live. So I want to share that with you. So no stick and stay and go and listen to it. Blame them I say.
911. Eh?
119. 9911.
119 to Richard. You know, comment 119. Richard need to go down. Richard, you need to go see the station. There's a little batty boy. Mind your bumbuckler youth, dirty boy. No, listen to me. If you breed orange, you're 15. That means then with orange, you're 12. I remember saying, no. You have to get choppy 2 years before you breed, you know. So younger than that, then Richard, to bumbuckler wicked. The mash the girl future. And now mind your youth, you little batty man, yeah. Batty boy Richard, go mind your youth, you look what this batty man.
Cuss him out, blame them.
You know help me cuss him too.
Yeah. And look for him with him mash mouth. We are not
mash mouth Richard, you look like a blood clot thief. Go mind your bumbuckler youth, batty boy Richard.
Wait there, I hear that the pan in face or a filter?
No, I'm saying beard up, not beard up.
Oh.
Richard remind me of Pops YG. Breed one girl about Falmouth and I'm breed. I will put them pan and mind the youth in the moment. Richard alone, you know.
But blame them. Him look like a goat thief.
Man, if I spare any run taxi. Mama spare any run taxi. Mama run down to blood clot like Richard page him.
Richard a call her.
Somebody call her, what you say? Like Richard call her. What?
Richard call her, you folk.
Richard call her. She must know.
Blame them.
Eh?
You want to see your stepdaughter?
Yeah, let me see.
Come tell me. Then I get no you blame them.
Me have 5 youth.
You blame them? Oh,
hello.
Blame them a cute boy so we get you.
Pretty
hello, how are you doing?
Hi, hi, sir.
My mind, the father, mind him.
Yeah.
Alright then. Now pick up Phoebe now.
No, we don't carry him down, man. We don't carry him down.
Alright then. Then say it's so cute, you don't like it. Baby.
Yeah, baby nice.
But we can't carry him down, you have to do it right. I will like carry down, you know. When you say I do it right, we don't carry him down then. Richard call you, mama. Richard call you. Richard, now you bring him down. If Richard don't talk mine you by next week, we will call you. I will put him up back. Didn't hear now mine you. The whole TikTok know that. Didn't hear two bumbuckler what this. You don't talk about the boy. The boy they are waste man.
Yeah, left that one there.
You know for mine, you know bumbuckler you, junker.
Talk to blame them.
People listen, when you have a baby father, them in our mind then you go have a mind youth challenge. But every now and then we can take them done for mind then youth.
I said
When
back,
some them up and get their picture and their name and we can't carry them down. They remind their youth. Cause sometimes you have to disgrace them.
somebody said Queen. Hi.
Baby girl. Queenie. No, it's not Queenie. Queenie 6.2. Baby girl, come off of the phone.
Amari. Yeah, Queenie.
Come off of the phone.
Amari, let me $3 now.
If you're talking to me.
Hush, baby mother. Things will be better tomorrow. Hush, mother. Baby mother. Things will be... Amari, you want the man or you don't want the man? Make up your mind.
I don't want
Do
him.
you want the man?
I don't want him. Seriously.
The man I just Jamaica for the man.
You know, seriously, screening, I don't want him.
So where you going so far? Where you leave me on the rats, man?
No, keep him, man. Keep him, but mother life will come at Jamaica still.
You don't come now, man. You're afraid of me, baby yourself. You don't come
You
now.
know what? So, Queenie, when you're the man just so far.
Blood clot, Mary, them it sweet. Blood clot. Where you going to Mary?
Queenie, I tell her, say Jamaican man, some pan and I can see we're going to
Blood
be
clot, sunshine, bend up, twist up.
What's your reminisce? What's your reminisce when Queenie at that?
Mary, where you love my several.
Reminisce about one.
Mary, I remember when you check the way.
What?
Mary.
Stop lying.
You know, man, just the best to do is yours. Like, where you not gonna look for the way I do it?
Queenie, show you.
So why Queenie go take Amari man out of all the man them in the world? Amari man Queenie have to go take Jah no star. But here what go on with people. See, me I gonna say this is just my opinion still. Me feel like say Queenie want a man, yes. We know that Queenie want a man, Queenie want to replace do it. But more than how Queenie want a man, Queenie want make do it jealous. So we feel like say that's why she come and talk about the man, something and Ray and this and that, and public with the man and all of them thing there. She want to do it jealous. Cause you hear she mentioned do it to Amari just now. Let me know all the things still. You see me? And tell me if I the same thing or feel like say I go happen like what happen would do it. No for them money still, you know. Them we loyal to a big woman, you know. Me I tell you that. This youth you look like say him not run down no bag of girl. You see me? And him we satisfied with Queenie. That I just looks still. We have to see everything played out to know if Ray. You see me I say, but on a level, I feel like say that one you go work out for Queenie. Big woman thing. Tell me what you think in the comments.
Face now. Queenie, show your old face because you go to Jamaica and you look old, bitch. Show your face.
That's why more you lend me $3,000.
Me for lend you $3,000. You know some me broke and hungry. Oh you need $3,000 for Queenie?
Mary, what I will broke and hungry.
What you need $3,000 for?
So several hours go per love.
Well, me making it easy at all, you know. You need $3,000 from me. You want my lawsuit money? I'm telling you about my lawsuit money.
Oh, my face can't show up on the camera. Look a bit of followers, but that's all.
Queenie, what I'm upset about is 7 Lord downloading video leave to shoot the video for you all in Jamaica on my account.
Mary,
I just had to call the bank.
Mary, after we not shoot no video, darling, so what?
No. Me have the video.
We do airport video, baby. We do airport meet and
No,
greet.
there's another video. Guess what? It was leaked to me. I got it. The video when I shoot with the phone, me don't get it already.
Yeah, so when tea fry you for the what?
When I use our card to it, Queenie, when I use our card.
And video leave. That is wrong, and other video apps. I just had to call Apple, and that is wrong. If you're not shooting a video, you know, leave me alone now. You know, don't use me account.
Actually, you know, we have to use your something. Actually, in a video shoot where we use your card details.
Hey, let me tell you something. If me come to Jamaica,
You're not coming away. Go, man.
Queen is
Move your blood.
How much you have it? How much you have it?
Amari, but I just take your pussy and skin out your catches and just rub your catches.
Premium, I don't want your sour pussy.
Move your blood, you want to think it.
I don't want your sour pussy.
What civilized? Fuck out last night.
But Queen, I don't care how much time I don't want to fuck.
Mariam cocky nice door. Blood clot. You think I alone can't trouble people? Move your blood clot.
Show your face. Show your face. Then you now bring up court when you come back in the pussy. How much things you are gonna do with that?
Shall I bring up 7 lad? That 7 lad shall I bring up in there?
Can't bring up 7
anything when I put you left, I go scoop it out, Mary.
Take down your picture and show your real face. The picture look good, your real face don't look good. Take down your picture.
Mary, I don't really care about look good. I don't look good competition with you, Mary. You're fucking trouble.
So no run out your money.
You Mary just send me $1 3 grand now.
Not sure.
Mary, may I be able to stepmother, you know? I mean, I grandmother, stepmother.
You know, me not tell a lie. You would be a good stepmother. Me know that.
Mary, I could just slide her and make me a civilize the tree, son. You have a blood clot to the police.
Yeah.
No, I could just have. Let's party.
Yeah. I will fly down. You know, some have couple man
you
when I
go
to Jamaica.
Pussy clit. I said I grab up your pussy clit to the body. You don't like where I stretch that. It's a rough chat. And take my tulip and lock it. I just have my head a flash. You know,
like a photo.
Queenie.
Like a photo, Queenie.
I said that in front of my face if me not box you with a punch.
I'll take the box of that clip, baby. That clip deserve a box. If you box me, it's alright.
No.
That's Mari's, you know. That's Mari's clip.
On my life.
Amari, I want to put together the way to behave yourself and leave me the fuck alone.
So when the last night?
You're there.
So Mary, man, I can't tell you that.
So why you bringing your back street?
No, that's just for the at minute. Remember, just come off a plane. And Trina lend me $3 grand when I get for buying a clothes. They can't lend me Mary, you can't lend me $3 grand. Cut out the fucker now. Lend me $3 grand.
I now get it back.
Oh, no, man. Me give about little.
No, that is would be a fool.
Alright, me spend a little 10% out of it, but not much. Mary, you know, say you love her civilized.
Queenie, I swear on my life.
Yeah?
No, I don't.
Well,
stop it on my jack down. Stop telling him my jack down.
No, I don't want him.
Amari, I love him. Every day
love him, man.
I'm mad over him, man. See, I'm
Amari.
I'm not even remember how I'm really look. You understand? No, because, let me tell you something. Queenie had the least of the problems, Remember a man caught up with one heap of woman.
Hold on then. So true, Queenie, come on now. She had the least of the problem. You're not just
she's the least of the problem. The man have him nice baby mother.
No, you're just a cuss Queenie. So Queenie had the least of the problem.
How much be the least of the problem?
The least of the problem. She had just the latest man of one heap of woman and one heap of others.
So why you not attack the rest of woman then? Why am I Queenie you come for?
They and all of them in touch.
Queenie, so here one. The cut fun and joker style. Like Queenie $3 grand. Yeah? And I'm $3 grand.
Warning.
Amari, some love you no matter what I go on. You could have take out my pussy tongue and twiggle it like grass plant twiggle.
Yeah, all the best still, seriously.
Yes.
Hear that?
Amari, darling.
Yeah.
Why you must tell like you don't want the man? Why you so like?
I swear on my life, I don't want it.
Stop your man, you drop down.
I I do
You know
not
much time
want
people
it.
to answer on the roll and
I'm not like that.
Sure. Because you don't want the man. Why you over here make so much trouble? Why you not leave me and the man, make me and the man France and peace?
What you do is how you do it. You see that I've been through a lot. And
but Amari, when me don't go through a lot, that do me the same thing, baby. That's why
I'm talking about the fact that you're a woman now. Tell him give back Amari her stuff.
No, I put the pension, I cocky pension on your pay. I'm to you have to pay for that. Mary.
One and none to you, go ahead.
Mary, you don't get back nothing. All of the coffee, so I'm strong. And then I said, never want to grip me, so them grip my Mary blood clot. I'm grip there. Give me that shit, Mary, I'm over.
Hey people, you know say that look that you they are gonna cause problem between Queenie and Amari. Soon they are gonna see say them are gonna cause problem. Remember Amari head no good enough. Now you see him and him calm and him attack and wait till he head take him out to see something. Remember me did tell you no. Remember say me did tell you no. It's when Amari head take him, you not go hear. Wait and see. So here we go on. We are gonna watch someone then we are gonna end it with people.
He can't sleep. Queen, I'm gonna fight over broke man, you know.
How can a man fight over?
Man will have money can pay my rent. When I fight over broke man, will live on TikTok all day and don't have a job. When I fight over broke man, you can't have that.
So we don't let me have him in peace then, Amari.
Take him, you've been taking him. You don't want him.
Why, Amari?
Queenie, tell me the truth. Why you think some I go mad over a man who me only know for 12 weeks?
Oh, what a rock. I know a man for 12 hours I'm mad over him, darling.
Well, you can have my what left. You'll be fine.
Yeah, somebody have to take somebody what left. It's life, my dear.
Try bring him go to England.
Well, that would have nice. Not beat a try, but I feel you never know.
You divorced yet?
Well, that is for me to know you to find out, Mary. Ask your big friend. We never do a song with him.
Oh. No, me no move like that, you know. Move like that. But now say that,
Amari, you don't want the collaboration with Queenie and Sevalad?
No, with Queenie, but not Sevalad.
Amari. Where you want to fly come to Jamaica come make problem for?
I'm not making no problem, Queenie.
You just say you want to go down there and mash them up. You just say support with
Am I ready to be a you know you're a pretty girl?
One pretty girl and give you trouble.
That's every Lord, and I wish them all the best.
You don't want the man, but you don't want me to have him. What that makes sense?
Queenie, me swear again, come lies. Take him. Queenie, I don't care. I really don't care. Just tell him don't go into my bank account while he's with you. That is not right.
The man not going to your bank account, you're too lie.
I have no reason to lie. None whatsoever.
Mary, you let me $3 him now for going to your bank account.
Money, Queenie. I'm not doing that. Then you the man still find a way to scam me through you. No. You're gonna be alright, man. All I'm have to do, I make one call, Mr. Chopper, and then we get that and give you.